How to redeem Best Buy gift cards. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Best Buy gift card. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Best Buy offers 3 types of gift cards. First, gift cards, the mailed physical kind. Second, e-gift cards, emailed cards that get delivered to your recipient within minutes. Third, corporate gift cards. Get bulk discount for your large or small business. In order to redeem your gift card in checkout, enter both the card number and 4-digit PIN on the back of your card. If your gift card balance does not cover the total cost of your order, they will charge you extra for the remaining amount to your primary form of payment listed in your Best Buy account, or to another acceptable form of payment at your request. If the total cost of the order is less than the balance on your gift card, any unused balance will remain on the last gift card you entered. And just in case if you want to return an item with a gift card, keep your gift card until you receive your order and are sure you are satisfied with it. You can return the items purchased with gift cards in accordance with the return and exchange promise. So this is how you can redeem Best Buy gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to the channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.